On October 31st, National Unity Day, saluting the Iron Man and architect of modern India, Sri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. His birth anniversary is celebrating every year as National Unity Day. On this auspicious occasion, we, the team of JP High School Nadupuru, commemorate his great services as a form of a pledge. Rashtriya Ekta Divas Pledge. I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation, and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and actions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country. Jai Hind.